classification problem.
Hi guys! Today we will see how computers sort things into groups. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Just putting things in the right boxes. Look at this picture. A cat on the left and a dog on the right. Our goal is to teach the computer to tell them apart. This is what classification does, deciding which category each item belongs to. Notice the label under each image: cat, dog, dog, cat. These labels are the answer we give to computers. Without the label, the model wouldn't know what is what. See the arrows going from image into model. That's the training process. The computer studies example and learn pattern, like whiskers, ears, tails, and other. It's like machine is taking notes from examples. Here's a new picture the model hasn't seen before. Notice the question mark above it. The model makes a guess, cat or dog. That's prediction, applying what is learned to new data. Look at these icons: email, healthcare, finance. Classification is everywhere. Spam filtering, fraud detection, prediction disease, and so on. So it's not just animals, it's all around us. See this blurry image? Half cat, half dog. Even humans can't always decide. This shows the challenge. Data can be messy and models aren't perfect. Here are three models: decision tree, SVM, natural network, and there are a lot of different models in real life that you can see and you can learn. Decision tree are simple, like flowchart. SVM draws boundaries between classes. Natural networks are powerful, great for image and complex data. Here's the checklist. How do we know if the model is any good? We use accuracy, precision, and recall, metrics that tell us how correct the model is and where it makes mistake. Look at this summary image. Errors from data to model to prediction. That's whole story. Start with data, train the model, make prediction, then evaluate. Classification may seem simple, but it's extremely powerful. Okay? Now the math part. Y equals to f of x. Actual animal, the label. Y is our label. Y hat is model of x. Predicted classes, like we see the picture and we the model, not we. The model say it's cat. That's our y hat. The hat means predicted. Basically, input goes in, output comes out. Okay. Finally, just a short pause, a favor from you. Hit the like and subscribe too. Stay with us for full of fear. More cool are come here. Evaluation formula. Accuracy equals to TP plus TN divided by TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. Uh, Actually divided by all outcomes. Precision TP divided by this. Recall TP divided by this. Okay. TP is True positive. Case is correctly predict as positive. TN true negative. Case is correctly predict as negative. FE false positive. Case is incorrectly predict as positive. It was negative and we predict positive. And inverse for the FN. Case is incorrectly predict as negative. It was uh, positive, but we predicted negative. Okay?